All right, so what I'm going to do is kind of show you trimming a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go to my row trim here, hit row trim and set my 0. So I did that, hit set 0. It'll kind of set a 0 there. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and manually jog. I'm going to make sure it's at 50. I'm going to jog this in and just kind of check my rows. So that one looks okay. That one's decent. This one we're kind of starting to move over. So this is row 1, 2, 3, 4. So row 4, I'm going to head on over to my row trim. And this is row trim where I was. Row 4 and my X, I'm going to go -5 on there. You can kind of see it says -5. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to manual here. Nope. And then we'll keep jogging up. And I just kind of want to see where everything is. I could also do something pretty cool. Let me show you here. I could go to like my last one. Let me go to 6. Sorry, I keep jogging different. So if I don't want to guess the 5, I could actually set a 0. And say, hey, okay, for this tray, I'm going to go to a jog of 1. Just kind of like you would the very first bottle. Put this guy on. So he looks pretty good there, maybe 1 over. All right, and so this is the last one. I kind of like everything right there. Looks great. I could go down to this last row, and instead of how I did the -5 there, go ahead and hit set, and I could actually see how far off I am. So I'm 2, so good thing I did that. I'm just going to put 2 and 2. And we could do -1, -1. Okay. And then I could close that up. And then that should be pretty good. I mean, this tray's kind of older. Looks a little warped. I'm going to go ahead and save this. I already have it saved as standard. Save, save, save. All right, replace, yes. So I trimmed it up. Let's check all 4 corners one more time. Start cycle. Oh. Okay. Looks good. All looks good. How about this last one here? Looks good. I mean, that guy's just off. Now what I want to do is clear all again. I want to set my down distance. So I'm just going to highlight those 2. I know my nozzle down, I probably want like 15. And start cycle. Oh yeah, a little bit too much. Probably don't need to go to 15. Let's go 10. And 2,000 on speed on that. Alrighty. You know what we're going to do? Let's go ahead and, well, we'll just fill 1 up from each one. So I'm just going to fill up 1 bottle. So what I'm going to do is just fill that one up, fill that one up, fill that one up, fill that one up. We could check the fill volume on this first one actually, so clear all. Do this very first one. And nozzle 1, 30, 60, 90. It should be real close to 90. Just that one's highlighted. Cycle start. And he is running super slow from that other stuff. So at 400, someone put him to probably 800. Ooh. And 90 is a little much for him because, yeah, 10 was overfilled. So let's go 80. Oh, I'm almost out of water in this tank. Before we start, I'll have to fill that up. Cycle start. Oh, I got bubbles. We got bubbles. 90 is good. Let me go ahead and get some more water. All right, now the other cool thing, they're both, now let's do all 4 rows. So clear all. I want to do 1, 12, 62, 72, 80, and then throw that sucker 80. And you can see here where we're at. Let's go ahead and run off our corners now so I can start. Still a little bit much at 80. We're right at the peak, but we'll just see what it does here. Still need to zip tie this cord up. Wonder if I could. This will kind of prime everything up too. You can see there's no more bubbles. Oh, I got a little bit of bubbles. Where I changed the water, that's why that one didn't fill up. So I'm gonna run this one more time at all 4 corners. And you can see it is only filling up the corners even though both pumps are going down. And this one's filling a little less, which should be because I have a little barb fitting on the end of one of these hoses, which is restricting it a little bit. That's fine though. This guy's right at the, we're off by a milliliter. So what we'll do here is I'm gonna drop this sucker down to 75 and drop this guy down to 77. So 75, 77. Run it one more time. Then we'll run some rows. So took a little bit to dial in everything, but I think we're gonna be good now. We're still a little overfilled, but I did it just for the point of making the video. And you can see since I don't have a bottle under there, it figured out which ones to go for. Still priming up after I changed the tank. That one's gonna be a little empty. There's the last bubble there. But yeah, now we're cruising, because here's what the other pump looks like versus the pump over there. Yeah, we're rocking. All right, so we'll run these 3 rows. And end it off on that, I guess. So this tray did need a little bit. Hopefully, I know you guys have some more of these. Hopefully they all kind of match this tray with that trim. I mean, we didn't trim much, and these are big bottles, and we do have it going down. We're trimming 2 millimeters on one, -1 on the other, and 2. You could dial it in however you want, but makes it pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and clear these off. And mark those 3 rows. Cycle 75 through 3. We're rocking. Reason it's not starting over there is because it is technically still in a row where it would have started in that far corner. And you can see we're right on the edge now. This guy's there. That one's right on the edge too. It's a little underfilled. So that one is the first one, which he is running 75, so maybe I should have put them both at 77. I was trying to be cool. The cool thing, hey, let's try it, ready? Update fill volume, update fill volume. I forgot we got this guy. This was one you asked for, I'm gonna update it. You can update it anytime, it'll pause the machine. I haven't tried this yet. Oh, so when I updated though, it did kinda, no, he's still just low. You can see he did fill up now. Good. There's where he was, right at the end there. And now he's all the way up. Heck yeah, wow, that's sweet. I never tried that yet. That's cool. So yeah, if you do use it, and you hit it, when you hit update, you can see this guy's filling. You should pause, wait, And then if I hit cancel, he keeps going. Hey, it works. Good, good. Or you could update it so, you know, if those are all too high, let's put it to an actual fill volume. So it's moving over. It's going to start those ones, which it's going to finish them. And I'm just going to put them both at 76. Okay. With them both at 76, it's waiting. Hit update. So we were both a little high right in that neck. We're dropping it down by 1 point. And you can see we're definitely lower. There's where we are now. Here's where we were. Here's where we are now. I mean, it's just a point. We're still right in that neck. So if I wanted to kind of go out of that neck, update fill volume, put them both at 75. Update. This next one will have the update in there. Until you update the fill volume, it won't go move on to the next bottle. That way the next change it's on. And you can see this guy is out of the neck. Right at the bottom there. This guy's just barely in the neck. Yeah, just barely. And this guy's right at the bottom of the neck. So technically I could get real fancy. Bottle 2, I could go 74.5. 74.5 update. Right, oh, we're right at the bottom. I might have went too much now. Could get you in trouble too. No, we're good. Right at the bottom. Right at the bottom. Pretty sweet. There you go.